We're here today at 5th Street, corner 5th Street and Maud Street, Johannesburg, South Africa, Sandton City. And I hope that you can hear me. The wind is blowing here a little bit. Very interesting area of Sandton. This was the first urban sort of high-rise area of Sandton City, 2005, 2006. In the background, on this side, you can, on my, let's see where my hand is. On this side is Legacy Corner, which is called the Davinci Hotel. I was working at Bentel Associates under the auspices of Frank Bruchman, who designed the Michelangelo with his team. And at Bentel, we engaged in the concept of this building, and it was quite a nice little project. The building here hugs the street on 5th Street, and it basically is a hotel that sits on a retail component. I'm going to show you the drawings that we did in about 2006, 2007 that helped progress with the design. Very interesting, because concept design started probably in 2006, 2007, that time, and then the building evolved. And let's just take a look at where it is. This is Johannesburg, South Africa, and it's the CBD, the new decentralized CBD of Sandton City, famous for Nelson Mandela statue. Here's a shopping center called Sandton City. Here's the Nelson Mandela Square, the Gautrain, which feeds into the subway system, and a famous landmark called the Maponyane Hotel, Sandton Conference Center. And the building that we're taking a look at is actually this building here. It's called Legacy Corner. And the reason why I'm speaking about it, because I was the concept designer behind the initial stages, in collaboration with some people at that time, at this corner plot here. It was a sliver that was left over from this development, and that the developer, Legacy Holdings, wanted to develop. So this building basically stands at the crossroads of Maud Street and 5th Street over here, and it just hugs this corner. It's a retail component with a casino at the bottom and in the basement, and then higher up is a hotel component with rooms, and that sits above this pediment. There's a porte cochere that happens here. We can't really see in the shadow, but there's vertical circulation take you into the hotel and sort of bypass the retail component. However, the retail component happens on these levels here and taps back into the square, and that was really the project. These were the initial drawings. I'll show you now that were presented to Legacy Holdings. So these were the basic schematic sort of drawings, where there was this vertical circulation. In the front here would be a swimming pool, and then restaurants and retail would take place here, showrooms and whatnot at the bottom. It evolved from here because the rights expanded, the buildings got higher, and so they took this design to a new level as well, and inspired sort of the direction of where the building needed to go as a design. Here's the porte cochere, a bit more bold or sort of brutal in realization. Soon we're going to have an interview with Frank Bruchman. Frank designed for Bentel Associates that very tall building there in the background. It's been the tallest building in Sandton District. In the background you can see that Co-Arc are putting up another building there with the cranes in the background. Sandton City, Johannesburg. Look forward to the interview with Frank Bruchman, and signing off.